Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Sarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello children, today we are going to learn about the operating system. Operating system, then what is operating system? We all are aware with the operating system named the MS Windows because you already learned this in your previous classes. MS Windows is an operating system that controls the overall activity of the computer. MS Windows has a many flavors called version, means these Windows 7 having more versions, we can say that, or the generation of that its own operating system. First one is a Windows XP operating system. Second one is a Windows Vista operating system. Third one is a Windows 7. Then Windows 8 operating system. And then last one is a Windows 10 operating system, which is known as the latest operating system in the Microsoft. That is a Windows 10 operating system. In these versions of the operating system, we are going to learn about the Windows 7 operating system. One of the most popularly used operating system is the Windows 7 operating system. It is developed by the Microsoft Corporation, as you can see in the image, for the general purpose computer system, that is a personal computers. This operating system is developed by the Microsoft Corporation for the general purpose computer, that is known as the personal computer. Windows 7 is used both at the home and for the business purposes. हम उसको दोनों जगह पर use कर सकते हैं, at home and the offices. It provides us a graphical user interface. This Windows 7 operating system provides us a GUI, that is a graphical user interface. It means we can do anything, or we can give an instruction by using the mouse. It uses pictures for performing a different operation. We all are aware with the icons already that we learned in our previous standard 3. Means these operating system use the icons for performing the different operations. Let us see some features of a Windows 7 operating system. Windows 7 has a very attractive look with the colorful themes. Windows 7 is available in the very attractive look and with a very different kind of the colorful themes. It comes with the new feature, improved program and the faster speed. Compared to the previous versions of the Windows 7 comes with the new features and the improved program and these faster speeds. It has a security tools that are used to keep our computer more secure. Also, Windows 7 contains some security tools by using which we can able to secure our computer system. Control panel. The control panel in Windows 7 allows us to change display setting, add or remove programs and change date and time. The Windows 7 having one feature named the control panel. By using this control panel, we can able to change the display setting of the computer system. We can add or remove the computer programs in our computer system, and also we can able to change the date and time according to our region in the computer system. It also helps to manage different resources in the functioning of the computer system. This control panel of the Windows 7 is also useful for managing the resources in the functioning of the whole computer system. The most common addition of the Windows 7 operating system are, means the Windows 7 also having some addition in this. So let's see which additions are. The first one is a Windows 7 Home Premium Edition. Second one is a Windows 7 Professional Edition. And the third one is a Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. These three are known as the addition of the Windows 7 operating system. When we start the Windows 7, its desktop appear on the screen. As you can see in the image, the computer screen that appears after the computer is started, the first screen is known as the desktop. It may have many icons on it. You can see able to see the small pictures on the desktop. That is known as the icons, by using which we can do open any program, or we can perform any different operations. These icons are used for opening different programming files or folders. By using these icons, we can able to open the programs, files or the folders. Let's see about the Android operating system, that we all are aware with the Android. because we all are using the smartphones now. The smartphone that having a operating system named the Android operating system. We learn about the operating system like MS Windows XP or the MS Windows 7 that controls the overall activity of a computer. Same, the Android is one of the operating system that operates the smartphone, tablets or the digital mobile devices. Means that we all are aware with the operating system which is used in the computers. The same way Android is a one kind of operating system which is used in the smartphones for operating the mobile phones. Android is a Linux based operating system which is developed by the Google they developed a operating system named Android, which is an open source operating system which is based on the Linux. It is founded by the Andy Rubin in October 2003 in California. You can see in the picture his name is Andy Rubin, who is the founder of the Android operating system. The first commercial version of the Android 1.0 was released in the September 2008. The first version of the Android operating system is released in the 2008, and now the latest one Android operating system is Android 11.0 named R, is already released in the September 2020. Let's see about some features of Android operating system. Android has a very user-friendly and attractive look with a colorful theme. We all are aware with our mobile phones that we are using right now. That means we now all are aware with this Android having a very user-friendly and attractive look, and also it available in the colorful themes. Android home screen can be easily personalized. Now we can change the lock screen and the home screen wallpaper, and also we can change the icons or the look of the home screen of our mobile phone. So we can say that Android home screen can be easily personalized. Android home screen is made up of several pages, can be swiped back and forth. Now we all are aware with the mobile phone that we are using right now. That means by in this mobile phone we forward several pages from back and forth. So then we can say that Android home screen is made up of the several pages, can be swiped back and forth. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.